What is the Treehouse Childhood Cancer Initiative? Cancer is not just an adult disease. Kids get cancer too. They get different cancers and for different reasons than grown-ups. Treehouse is a research group at the UC Santa Cruz Genomics Institute working to help fight children's cancer. When a child gets cancer, the doctor plays a big role. Treehouse provides our results to doctors at partner hospitals. Doctors and their teams care for sick children. But it's hard to know how to treat kids with cancer because there are so few medicines tested in children. When the cancer is removed, we ask their doctors to save us a sample to study. Treehouse is a big collection of cancer data. We explore the collection of data using Tumor Map, a tool that UC Santa Cruz researchers use to group cancers to have similarities so doctors can make better treatment decisions. Tumor Map displays over 11,000 cancer samples from over 70 types of cancer. Every color is a different cancer type. Every dot is a different sample. We know about the genes that are in each sample. We try to figure out what this child's cancer is like by telling the computer to compare it to the tumor map and find what is unique about this tumor. Scientists at Treehouse figured it out. This kid's cancer has an abnormal gene that is also abnormal in lung cancers. Doctors can now decide if the medicines grown-ups use to target this gene in lung cancer will help treat this child's tumor too. Understanding the genes that make up a cancer is one of our best hopes for helping kids whose cancer won't respond to the treatment. This is how Treehouse researchers use computer science and cancer biology to give hope to kids fighting cancer. We have a small team of dedicated people. We want to train today's students to do this important work, to help future children with cancer. For this, we need funds. Please join us. We would love your support. Donate and learn more at treehousegenomics.ucsc.edu.